Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the tools that keep your beauty game strong. Let's be real, who has time for traditional flossing when there's a quicker, more efficient way to get the job done? If you've been struggling to get your flossing routine right, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Today, we're reviewing the Waterpik Water Flosser, the classic WP-72, and the Aquarius WP-660. These advanced water flossers claim to be up to 50% more effective than traditional floss, and they come with some pretty nifty features. If you're tired of the hassle and discomfort of string floss, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this. The Waterpik Water Flosser is clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque, a major plus for anyone concerned about gum health. There are two models in this review, the classic WP-72 and the Aquarius WP-660, each with 10 pressure settings to customize your clean. Whether you prefer a gentle stream or a more intense blast to get rid of stubborn plaque, both models give you control over the pressure. They also come with 7 color-coded tips, perfect for sharing between multiple users in your household, or just to keep things organized for yourself. These models come with a large 35-aughts and 22-aughts reservoir, offering a generous 90 seconds of water capacity, so refills aren't needed mid-clean. Another neat feature is the inclusion of a tip designed specifically for cleaning below the gum line, as well as a massage mode that stimulates your gums to improve circulation and health. Now let's talk about how these perform in real-world use. Incorporating these water flossers into your routine is simple. The controls are intuitive, and even for a first-time user, it doesn't take long to figure out how to adjust the settings for the most comfortable clean. I found that it took a few tries to get the right pressure for my gums, but once I did, it felt much gentler than traditional flossing. Plus, it's way more fun to use. No more awkward floss string trying to squeeze into the tight spaces between your teeth. One thing I did notice is that the noise level can be a bit high on the stronger settings. If you're sensitive to sound, you might want to stick to the lower settings. But if you're looking for a deep clean, those higher pressure options are ideal. As for the massage mode, I was surprised by how soothing it was. It gave my gums a gentle stimulation that left my mouth feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Let's weigh the pros and cons here. On the positive side, these water flossers are incredibly effective at plaque removal. They also make flossing a lot easier, especially for people with braces or those who struggle with traditional flossing. The large reservoirs are another bonus. They last a long time before needing a refill, which makes cleaning a bit more seamless. The adjustable pressure settings and multiple tips add a layer of customization that you don't typically get with standard floss. On the flip side, while these flossers do a great job at what they're meant to do, they are a bit bulky. If you're looking for something compact to travel with, the Aquarius WP-660 might not be your best option. The sound level on the higher pressure settings can also be a deal breaker for some. And let's not forget the price. While it's justified by the performance and the features, it's not the cheapest option on the market. Is this a good value for money? When you compare it to the cost of a dentist's visit to address gum issues or plaque buildup, the price of the Waterpik seems pretty reasonable. You're not only getting a great cleaning tool, but you're also investing in your oral health in a way that's been backed by dental professionals. Now, how does this compare to other flossing options out there? There are plenty of budget-friendly alternatives, but they don't offer the same level of performance or customization. The Waterpik is a proven brand, trusted by both dental professionals and users alike. Other water flossers in this price range might not have as many pressure settings or come with such a variety of tips. As for the build quality, the materials feel solid and the overall design is pretty durable. The reservoir size is definitely a standout feature. It holds a lot of water, so you won't be running to refill every 30 seconds. In terms of longevity, I expect these models to last quite a while with regular use, and the tips are easy to replace as needed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer service, I didn't personally interact with Waterpik's team, but the brand is known for its responsive support. If you run into any issues, you can feel confident that they'll help resolve them quickly. Now, what about alternatives? If the price of the Waterpik is a little higher than you're comfortable with, there are other water flossers out there that still offer solid performance, like the Sonicare Air Floss or the Panasonic EW DJ40. They might not have all the bells and whistles, but they still get the job done at a lower price point. To wrap up, the Waterpik Water Flosser is a solid choice for anyone looking for an effective, easy-to-use way to improve their oral hygiene. It's especially great for people who find traditional flossing difficult or uncomfortable. The pressure settings, large reservoirs, and specialized tips make it a versatile tool for a range of users, and it's backed by dental professionals. If you're looking for a long-term investment in your oral health, the Waterpik is worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.